everyone and welcome to Python program tutorials. Today in this tutorial we are discussing about a program. Here we are trying to find out number of vowels in sentence. Okay, so for that Python file I will ask user to enter the sentence. So first I will take a variable called sentence. Here we write sentence, and I will take input function to take input from the user, and this message is the, here we write int input, but here we input bracket enter the sentence. So here I am not converting this input function into the int because here we want to string input, right? Why I will just take input, because in Python 3 by default input function will take input string, and here we want to string input, right? So next what I will do, I will convert the input to the lowercase letter. If you want to convert this into the uppercase letter, you also, because there are five vowels in English language, right? That is A, E, I, O, U, and we can write it in lowercase as well as uppercase. So here we write, so while writing program we need to include lowercase as well as uppercase. So to avoid that, I will do is first we take input, I will convert it to the lowercase letter. So then I can write condition only for lowercase vowels, right? So here I will take variable called string. String equals to, here we write string variable string equals to, I will take sentence dot lower. Here we write sentence dot lower. This will convert enter the string to the lower letter, lowercase letter. So if you want, you can check if print string here. Here we write, if you want to check, we have print into string. So control plus yes. If enter OK, then contain both lowercase as well as uppercase letter. If I enter here, we can see it will convert to the lowercase letter. This is A, V, F, N. This will convert into the lowercase letter, and I will initialize to it uppercase it because will contain number of vowels, so initially will take as it is 0, and here starting position we have write 0 equals to 0. So next I will take a list will contain vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U. Here we write list 1, that is variable list 1, that is in bracket A E I O U. A comma E comma I comma O comma U. Because I converted this sentence or input to the lowercase letter, we should take only thus 5. No need to taking uppercase letter. So now I will take a for loop for character. For char it is variable name is string because we took input. So now I will take for loop for char it is variable name and for cat is variable name in string because we took input and we stored that in sentence variable, and in the next line we converted into the lowercase in and that stored in the string variable. That here I took string, there is nothing but I need go each character of the string. Here we write in string if char in list 1, that is character a e I o u in list 1 1, and here count is incremented by 1, then count equals to count plus 1. That means we will stored in the string variable. That why here I took string, that is nothing but I need to go each character of the string enter sentences. Okay, if condition character in the list, one of these condition will compare each character with element of this list 1. If it matches to anyone, then that means vowels will be incremented count by 1. Else I want to do anything and come out of the loop, and I will print number of vowels in given sentences count. After that here we write count print, here we write print number number vowels in given sentence is count count bracket complete. Enter the sentence will be converted into string first, and all the character converted into the lowercase, and after that vowels are in this sentence converted into lowercase. If this condition will check whether a character in list 1, if it yes, then it will be incremented by 1. So example, here I take example sentence and welcome. Here we write welcome, then what we output light to module string equals to sentence dot lower. Here we write this is the input will be only lower. Here we write welcome, then after that number of vowels is 3. A E I O U means E, O and E. This is the 3 vowels in this sentence. After that here we explain. So here next here character and string is first character value will be w, so it will check whether is w in list 1, so it want to execute this, will execute again for loop. Now character become e, okay, it will check whether a is list 1, yes it is right, so count is incremented by 1. Now okay, again it will go to the for loop. For now character value will be 1, so it will be whether present in list 1 l, so it won't execute body. If go to the for loop and it will execute the program. So about this program will be written in different ways. Okay, so it will another way, shorter way, better way, don't forget to comment below. So that's it now guys. Bye, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care. Ciao.